Vligity Vlurgen. Go on. Today we are going to continue from where we left off. Well, not really continue from where we left off. We're going to shoot the scenes we never got to shot for the short film. So we're going to try to finish it up over the weekend, you know. So we start Saturday and we're supposed to do on Monday, Sunday, Monday maybe. The rain fall early this morning. I don't know if that's going to be a problem again, but some of the scenes that we have left are indoor. I think most of them are indoor, but you know, say the lighting conditions will get affected. And you want the continuity and all them something there, so you know you don't want to mess up that. We have a couple scenes left to shoot up, so we're gonna try our best to get it done. Hopefully the weather allows for that, and then the release date I'm being told is that it should be coming out in December. So December, on the lookout. My thing now is I wonder if I'm gonna drop the vlogs before or after. You know, so I'm gonna drop the Panama vlogs them first. So I'm gonna see them there. Or I'm gonna see them there already, yeah? I love them vlog them mad. You know.
Subscribe to the channel so we can do some more travel things and show them some little place in there. Right, you see it? You see it? You see it?
Yeah, so the thing when we just have pre now is that maybe me drop it before it come out. Kind of build a little buzz around it. I mean, me see what I go on. Yeah. So I wait for the drive to come pick me up, you know. And somebody where I work on the shoot too. Rick Roy. I Rick the inner motive. I drop me down. I'm there on the production of this asset too. I'm not in it, but I'm direct. Yeah. I'm a direct what I go on. So I roll with the director. Levels.
Wow!
Maybe next time when you see me, I want to reach on. And then, I don't know, get me little clips, them prips props about the place. I also want to try to put together a reaction video. You don't know, through me I come off a vacation and them things, I'm kind of lazy. Because what I try to do is I drop 20 episodes per season for the reaction videos. Maybe 21, the last one go. Some of them they go way behind that. But I try to get it at 20 and then take a little break. So every time I don't know when season they on TV and them thing there, boom, I'm run it. For your time, episode done, I'm take a little break and come back again. So I something I have to deal with. Something I burn out myself and all them something and just get tired of it and no one do it. Because I tell you, if you do the reaction video then it take a little bit out of you, you know what I mean?
But the energy still, I want to love them, so I just do them for them. You see?
But they telling us that we're going to pick up right where we left off, though. Last time I see me with the right, so. I want to see them thing the rest time. Over there's a dark. Still kind of darkish. How them call them cloud there again? Cumulonimbus? I'm not embarrass myself. I just say some cloud. So the cloud them over so. I'm going to do the right, so I tell them to say rain a come. And we have to go take care ourselves. Over there, so on the sun warm, you know. So I try to get the work. The crew members over there. I think we're just getting everything together. I'm just mashed down some breakfast. Cheese patty, cocoa bread, and fries. I said life type of food them there, you know what I mean? But anyways, put over the house that we shoot. So we have to go finish up in part there. This was the last day of shooting, but we are shoot the last day first now. You see me, get things out of the way, certain things. So we'll see as the day progresses. You know, if I get time to take up the camera and we'll see what I go on, is it? Mad. You know how long I see one green lizard? I chew with their country, you know. In Kingston, I be the white gecko them. I don't like them then. I don't like green lizard either, but you know, it's good to see a familiar face. Last time we did there, we did have some ripe passion fruit. But I'll be a green one about, you know, Rasta. everything green, Rasta. No ripe one there. I mean, do you want something like a make juice on them thing there? No? Look like that getting knocked. Not even see no look a drop ripe one on them something. Everybody green, brother. Watch how we are going still, cause full up of what? What's stinking in your blurred cage?
Style them or beat them.
Whenever I hear the saying when people say you mean like star apple, let me show you what they mean. Even when the star apple them rotten, they not drop off a tree so that anybody can get your fruit. That's the way people mean. When they say you mean like star apple. I'm gonna teach someone that probably don't know nothing about them thing here. You see them thing here? Them thing named tuna. Not tuna in a tin. See? I mean, regular people would say cactus. I don't know the scientific name or the sensible name for it, but tuna we call it, see? You use tuna for you can use it for wash your hair. It's good for wash hair, you know? So if you don't know about them thing, when you come to Jamaica, tell them say you want some tuna for wash your head. It's good for your hair. Nice natural hair and them thing like good feed. Good hair food. I'm gonna learn something today. Alright, this is for the people that don't know, see? This right here is a Cersei plant. Let me just zoom in a little bit so I can see what I go on. Right? Cersei bush. Now when you boil it,
You pay for money? No, Kevin, you can't. You're not allowed to show it, Kev.
and she just make that sound there. Look good. But that's say, you see Cersei bush now, when you boil it, it's very bitter. But the funny thing about the Cersei bush is that the fruit that it produces is sweet.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm showing you the fruit. You see that little orange thing there right there, so? Right there, so? That? Are the Cersei fruit that. When you crack it open, you have some red seeds in there and them sweet. I don't really want nothing to eat right now. I don't know lie me I tell you. If you come from a country, you know them things. I teach you these things while we go along today. Because most of you don't know about them things, you understand? Okay. So you just learn something else from this vlog. I remember when we did a weird I seen. I suppose a pink shirt and a brown pants. Well, I did one pants me up, but I suppose a pink shirt. I think I burgundy one. Yeah, man. Do rag on head because you don't know waves them with John people, you know, isn't it? I really want to join nobody today. Because waves them sick like that. Yes, people, back in the costume again, you know? Ready to go do the do. Remember pink shirt with the tie and them something like pouch and them thing there. You know what I mean? Oh. In the real, of course. You know it's dummy. I think I'm gonna start film right now. You know the boys gonna bring the camera and do what it do, you know. Yo, my shirt smell kinda weird, man. I like how it smell. I'm killing it with the axe. I'm drowning this bitch in axe. Don't ask me no questions. Don't ask me no question. So me really kind of want brush though. Bless up, man. Jaja see them a come. But I and I have crankara. The bruh. Bruh, where the bruh? Where is the bruh? People man try to get the brush for brush my head. Cause my head look kind of ruggedy. But I can't find the bruh. That bruh be tripping, bruh. I know where there. See it there? I just never go far enough into the bag. I got the bruh. That be a flake, so drop out a man brush.
They just see them a come. But I am a conqueror.
Good Jesus, Kevin.
When Fred Kelly don't rate me.
Done.
The long one?
And then come on that 2K.
One of them was the long one, right?
Roll up.
Roll up,
Yo, that reached there one time.
But no man, it happened enough.
Yo,
Alright, put it on. Wow.
Miguel, I need it here.
Find it. Find it. Alright. Oh, it's still now.
I'm here.
Knock it out, big one, right?
What Mr. Kelly key?
Police, take one, action.
Police, open up. Right where we started, we're going to end the day. Well, not really end the day, just a move from the set. Yeah, that move. We are move from here so to the next. Zin? We're done. For now, I think. I think I gotta arrest somebody after this. Arrestation, I go on. Is that a word? Arrestation. I don't think it is, you know. Yeah, Sunday over here, so no. See me in my pink shirt. Big idiot answer from Crow Farm and nobody answer, brother. I turn up in the handsness, I gotta brush them off. Sorry, I make you move, you know, you see me? The hands them don't bite me up and everything. You don't know, the hands them crawl so slow but move so fast. We have a formula here, so we're gonna just finish work out the situation. Oh, what? But I pick out your face. Alright, then I can't pick out your face. Easy. You're supposed to know them money from motive. Easy.
Yo, sorry for them.
You wanna pick it out now?
Auntie, sorry for them.
No, but me just want to say. Just want to say what?
Just what? When you call it, you know.
Remember the location. How many sit down on that tree around this? Me a check back in, me don't know. Me not do much. Yeah, that's how we're there now. So we're going inside, go finish up. As you can see, well, maybe you're not nasty, but street light and them thing there at night. But they are going to make it look like it is day. Yeah, man, camera tricks and all these things, man. They can light night scene to make it look like a day. You have to know if you do your thing, you know? All the material and all them look up there get put in, you know. But we have to check if the mic turn on, you know.
Hi guys, I'm Abby Jo. You know, Kevin can add me to his channel whenever because you know I really enjoy watching Kevin. So yeah, bye.
Excuse me, I don't know if you see me good, but in that bathroom. Why? I don't know. But anyways, it's still a shoot. I switch up the outfit. I'm not gonna do no talking now. You know the scene before this when I sit down like like a room because I was interviewing the young man. So you're getting exclusive behind the scene right now. I'm in the bathroom. Oh, them I shoot. That's why I'm in that bathroom coming on the nice. I fake what I go on as well. I'm talking not really in the scene. It's mostly action. I'm a very handsome cop. Okay, let's just put that out there. I'm a very handsome detective. Father God. Can't join the police force though. Can't be a handsome cop in real life. I just have to do this acting thing. Aww. Pick up all the real police them out there do them job the right way, you see me? Yeah man, thump up on the chest man. I go back outside there now. But then I go and take some pictures and might post them on the gram. I would feel myself. So if some of them turn out decent, post them on the IG. That man good.
It's set it low now. But we get like 2 black. Now we do have 2 apple box.
That boy be tired. So me not kill people on. Oh wait, I sat there today. I murder people on Saturday, you know. So, alright, battery are dead. We just finished wrap up. Wrap up. Scene 2, setting 2 for the day. I move to another one, you know. Kinda tired.
In all our pop down message.
Me have a video of you asleep, you know. Watch it.
Yo, she sleep on the set, Kevin?
Yeah, man. Splat out, man.
Oh my word.
I have that, man. So you can go on ramp here.
After the squatty drink, you went and slept on the set.
So we wrap up, you know. See everybody
Ask
out.
me to take another picture for you. You hear that's all I say. Ask me to take one more picture for you, Kevin.
Bex.
How much see you have to do on the next
So yeah, we are wrap up, you know, and then we are move to I think setting number 3, and that should be the final one for the night. And then tomorrow we start about 10 o'clock again. Alright, the video there get released. May I Lego that video there. To observe the road in its pop down state. If you look closely, you will see holy hell, it's waking up. That's crazy. You're not come back tomorrow, you mash up the things, you're not coming back here. When I think I'm gonna probably go on a quick preps at this third setting. Oh, that's good. You see I'm brain frazzle? And then call it a night after that. So, I battery a day. Set 3. I don't remember the place I saw we did there. The last time I did sit down in a car over there, so. If I carry around violate, man, you see me? Over there, so I mashed down some food. We got some. It's a little drive-by, I'm go film. And then that's it for the night. So you just need to get started out and plan properly and then execute and dip. Filmmaking is a whole lot of this is just like a 30-minute thing, you know, but it takes a lot. I mean, I understand this from just making my like a video them when we shoot for like 25 minutes, 30 minutes sometime, and that's just one 15-minute thing. That's it. So you know how them things they go. I wait, I know, but everybody there and ready. So I just see the lighting and everything get sorted out. I can show a piece of it, but I think this, we're not going to see it after this. So this is where the vlog end for today. See me? So me link you know when me link you know.
Ow!
Alright, go lean up to the thing now. Alright, go on, I'm this.
Oh, it is.
Go, now you ride.
Ah!
Look here, me confused.